If I could only eat one salad for the rest of my life, it would be this Greek salad. Not only is it delicious, but it keeps me full for hours, so I have it at least 3 times a week. First, I cut up cherry tomatoes, Persian cucumbers, onion. I prefer red onion, and Kalamata olives. I accidentally got the ones with pits. Avoid the pits. Get the ones without them. Now let's make the salad dressing. You add good quality olive oil, red wine vinegar, oregano, fresh crushed garlic, salt and pepper to taste. This is your preference. And a squeeze of lemon. Then some Dijon mustard. And you give that whole thing a really good whisk. And now it's time to assemble your salad. I like to do a few jars so I can have them as kind of a grab and go throughout the week. At the bottom, I add the salad dressing first. And then I add garbanzo beans for protein, cucumber, tomato, more cucumber because I grabbed a really big jar, those Kalamata olives without the pits, and feta, so much feta, that red onion, and that's it. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think. I think you're going to love it. Enjoy.